Hello everyone, welcome to Cherished Learning. My name is Khushboo Patwa and today we are going to learn about a special topic in grammar, that is verbs. But before beginning this, let us play a game. So the name of this game is Simon Says. Okay, and what you have to do in this game? I will tell you to follow some actions, to do some actions, and you have to perform those actions. But there's a condition. You have to perform only those actions that begin with the phrase Simon says, or else it will be a foul. Okay, so you all are ready for the game? Yes? Let us start. Simon says, clap your hands 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Simon says, tap your head 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now you all touch your nose. Did anybody touch their nose? Oh, this will be a foul because I did not say Simon says touch your nose. Did I say this? No. So you got it now. You have to perform only those actions that begin with the phrase Simon says. Yes? Now let us continue. Simon says scratch your ears. Okay, you got the game very well. Now you can also play this game with your friends. Okay, now let us begin with our topic. Today we are going to study about verbs. Okay, so verbs are also called action words. So what we do in our everyday life, we perform a lot of actions. Like when we wake up in the morning, then what we usually do, you brush your teeth, then you wash your face, then you take a bath, then what you do, then you comb your hairs, then you get ready for the school, you pray to God, then you eat some food, okay, then you walk to school. So there are a lot of actions we perform in our everyday life, and we are going to study about these words in today's class. Verbs are also called action words. Now let us read a few sentences to understand more about verbs. Read the sentence. The girl eats food. What is the action being done by the girl? She eats food. So here the verb is eats, which is highlighted in green color. Now read this sentence. The birds fly in the sky. What is the action being done by the birds? They fly. So, fly is the verb in this sentence. The boy reads a book. What is the action here? You can see in the picture, the boy is reading a book. So, here the verb is reads because it is the action being done by the boy. The girl sleeps. Here the verb is sleeps. You can see in this picture, what is the mom doing? The mother cooks food. Okay, so here the verb is cooks. Your mom also cooks delicious food for you now? Yes? Okay, here is the action. There's an action performed by the doorbell. Let us see what is it. The man rings a doorbell. Ding dong. Okay, so here the action is rings. Now, what are verbs? Verbs are words that state actions which show what someone or something does, which means action can also be performed by a living thing like a person or any animal or any bird or flower, anything like a flower is blooming, birds are flying, animals are running, okay? And it can also be performed by any non-living thing like the bell is ringing or a telephone is ringing. Yes? And why the verbs are important? Verbs are important because they make a sentence complete. Now, let us read few more verbs with action. You have to perform along with me also. Walk, run, ride, sit down, stand up, fight, laugh, haha, read, play, listen, cry, think. Okay, can you think of some more verbs? Yes, swim, dance, and singing. Yes. Now let us solve an exercise to understand how much we got the topic. In this, you have to underline the verbs. Mohan reads book. What is the action? Yes, the verb is reads. Suhani plays badminton with her friends. So what is the verb here? Plays. Richa smells the flowers. Here the action is smelling. So the verb is in this sentence is smells. The students write their answers. What is the action being done? Writing. So what is the verb in this sentence? It is write. Farhan rides his bike. Here the verb is writes. Teacher reads a book. Here the verb is reads. Okay. You answered all the questions, so you got the topic. Fine. So children, now this is the time for action song. So all of you be ready. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Say hello, say hello. Listen to the music and say hello. Nod your head, nod your head. Listen to the music and nod your head. Shake your hands, shake your hands. Listen to the music and shake your hands. Wave your arms, wave your arms. Listen to the music and wave your arms. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Thank you.